about adjectives. In presentation 1, we tell the child to get the car. The child goes to the place where the object is kept and gets car. This is not the car which I wanted, though it is very beautiful. Then we give a word that describes the car. The big car. The child goes to the counter and gets the big car. Now we tell the child to place it in a sentence. The car big. Is it sounding correct? No. Let's replace it and put it here. Big the car. No, this is still not correct. Now, the directress tells the child to cut the and car into separate. Now, the directress tells the child to make a sentence with the car. With the help of the directress, the child makes the sentence the big car. Is it sounding correct? Yes, now it's sounding correct. Now the directress will show how to put the symbols according to the words. The is an article. The is an article denoted by a light blue triangle. Big is an adjective. It is denoted by a dark blue triangle. Car is the noun. Car is denoted by a black triangle. The sentence is the big car. The object what the child brought is the noun. Car is the noun. Big is describing how it looks. So, it's an adjective. The, we are talking about one object in that counter. So, it's a particular object. So, we say it the. Let's try this with another sentence. The flower. We'll tell the child to go and bring the flower. The child goes to the counter and gets a flower. Wow, this flower is very pretty indeed. But I don't want the pink flower. I want the blue flower. The child now goes and gets a blue flower. Yes, I need these blue flower. We'll tell the child to arrange the words accordingly. The child tries. The blue flower blue. Is it sounding correct? No. Let's replace it in the beginning of the sentence. Blue the flower. No, it's not sounding correct. Let's try it in middle of the words. The blue flower. Yes, now the sentence is in the correct form. Now we tell the child to take the symbols from the box and denote it. The child takes the symbol article since the is an article. Blue is a describing word and it is denoted by a dark blue triangle. Flower, being the noun, is denoted by a black triangle.